Solving equation in this lesson, equation included one variable or one sample, like 3x plus 7 equal 19, or 2m minus 9 equal 17, or 3y plus 4 equal 7y minus 1. In these type of equations, the main question is how I can find the value of x satisfy the equation, or the value of m satisfy the equation, or the value of y to satisfy the equation. This is the main idea in this lesson. How I can find or solve the equations. Let's take the first example. As example, 5x minus 7 equal 11. To find the value of x in this case, move 5 and 7 to another side. Move 5 and 7 to another side. Which number should be moved first? Adding and subtracting move first, and after that you can move multiplying and dividing. Again, how I can solve this equation? To find the value of x in this equation, move 5 and 7 to another side. Which of these numbers should be moved first? Adding and subtracting move first, and you can move multiplying and dividing later. As example, move this 7 to another side, it becomes 5x equal 11 minus 7. And take care, when you move adding and subtracting to another side, inverse the operation. If the operation here is multiple, plus should be moved to another side, subtract. So it's 5x equal 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. And dividing now, x 5 multiply x equal 4. So 5 move to other side by dividing. It's become 4 over 5. Mentality, how I can find it? Mentality, multiply by 2 and multiply by 2 will be 8 out of 10. It means 0.8. Okay, let's move to another equation. 5 2x minus 7 equal 3 times 4x plus 2. In this case, how I can find the value of x? First, we have a big problem here. We have brackets. To solve this equation, the first thing, you need to expand the brackets. It means multiply 5 here and here. 5 multiply inside the bracket, expand the bracket, and 3 multiply by 4x and 3 multiply by 2. When you expand the brackets, you will find this is 10x minus 35 equal 12x plus 6. After expand the brackets, you need to collect x with themselves. You have 12x here on this side and 10x on another side. You need to collect both of x's with themselves. So the smallest one should be moved to the greatest one. When you move it, you need to inverse the sign of the term. It means negative 35 equal 12x plus 6, and then come from this side to another side, replace 10x followed by negative 10x. We have 12x and negative 10x. It's become negative 35 equal 2x plus 6. It's too easy to solve it. We need to keep x alone, so 2 should be moved to another side and 6 should be moved to another side. Which number should be moved first? Yes, which number? Yes, adding and subtracting, moving first. 6 is adding, move to another side by subtracting, it's become negative 35 minus 6 come from this side to another side equal 2x. Negative 35 and negative 6 will be negative 41 equal 2x. 2 is multiplying, move to another side by dividing, then x will be negative 41 over 2, means x equal negative 20.1. This is the value of x. If we have a question, more complicated equation like 7x plus 8 over 5 equal 3x minus 1 over 2. In this case, this is called fractional equation. How I can solve the fractional equation? Cross product means to multiply this denominator multiply numerator and denominator on another side to numerator. It's become 7x plus 8 equal 5 times 3x minus 1. You see, we are the same. What should I do here? Yes, expand the brackets. 2 multiply will be 14x plus 16 equal, expand the brackets, will be 15x minus 5. They are the same. Collect x's with themselves. We need to collect x's with themselves. Which should be moved? The smallest move to the greatest. Means 16 equal 15x minus 5 minus 14x, which come from left hand side to the right hand side. So 16 equal 15x minus 14x will be just 1x minus 5. Move 5 to another side. This is subtracting, move to another side, adding. It will be 21 equal x. Okay, let's move to another equation. Another one. 3 2x minus 7 equal 5x plus 18. How I can solve this equation? This equation included a bracket, so expand the brackets first. Yes, thank you. Move to 3, expand the bracket, will be 6x minus 21 equal, no expand the brackets, this is no change, come down, it's 18. Now we have a big problem. We have a 2 x's in two terms, in two sides. So move the smallest x to the greatest x by changing the sign. So this is a negative, so this is a positive 5, move to another side will be negative 5, means 6x minus 21 and 5x, move to another side, negative 5x equal 18. Take care from this side, just 5x move to another side. Okay, just 5x move to another side will be, this is positive, move to as a negative. So this is 6x minus 5x will be just 1x minus 21 equal 18. And now you can move 21 to another side. This will be 18 plus 21 means x will be 39. Okay, let's move to another equation. 0.8x plus 5.9 equals 0.3 minus 2x. And this decimal equation, I need to find the value of x satisfy this equation. First, collect x's. You have 2x each, one in each side. In left hand side you have x and right hand side you have x. What should I do? Yes, move the smallest x to the greatest x. It will be 0.8x plus 5.9 and negative 2x move to another side plus 2x equal 0.3. 0.8x and 2x, we have 2.8x plus 5.9 equal 0.3. Now you want to find the value of x, so move 5.9 adding and subtracting. We said move adding and subtracting first, and you can move multiplying and dividing later. Well, inverse operation. Yes. So this is 5.9. 5.9 move to another side will be 2.8x equal 0.3 minus 5.9. 2.8x will be, this is negative 5.6. Now you can divide by, so x equal negative 5.6 over 2.8. How I can find it? Mentality, without using calculator. How I can find it? Multiply by this by 10, and this is by 10 to eliminate the decimal point. It will be negative 56 over 28. So x equal negative 2. This is the value of x. Satisfy this equation. By the end of this lesson, please check the description. You will find the online quiz. Try to evaluate yourself and support us by subscribe for the channel